Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learning English USA. I am Jessica, and I am very happy to have you here today. If you are learning English and you sometimes understand English when you listen, but you feel nervous when you try to speak, this lesson is for you. Today, we are going to practice simple, natural, everyday English together. This lesson is especially helpful for beginner and elementary learners at A1 and A2 level. Whether you live in Germany, France, Spain, Italy, the United Kingdom, or another European country, you can use these English sentences in your daily life. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need a large vocabulary. You simply need to listen, repeat, and practice. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready to speak English with me. And remember, do not worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Let us begin with some very simple sentences. Listen carefully to my voice, and then repeat each sentence slowly. I am ready to learn English. I practice English every day. I want to speak English more confidently. I can understand simple English. I am learning new words every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I can speak slowly and clearly. I can improve my English step by step. These sentences are simple, but they are very useful. Try to say them again without looking at the screen. I am ready to learn English. I practice English every day. I want to speak English more confidently. Excellent. If you made a mistake, that is completely fine. Just listen again and repeat. Now let us practice a morning conversation. Imagine that you wake up in the morning and prepare for your day. You meet someone at home, at work, or at school. You can say good morning. How are you today? I am good, thank you. How about you? I am fine, thank you. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept very well. What are you doing today? I am going to work. What time do you start work? I start at 8 o'clock. What time do you finish? I finish at 5 o'clock. Are you busy today? Yes, I have a busy day. These are very common questions and answers. Practice them slowly. Good morning. How are you today? I am good, thank you. What are you doing today? I am going to work. What time do you start work? I start at 8 o'clock. Now let us make the conversation a little more natural. Imagine you are meeting a new person in Europe who speaks English. You want to introduce yourself. You can say hello, my name is Jessica. What is your name? My name is Anna. Nice to meet you, Anna. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from Italy. Oh, that is wonderful. Do you live here? Yes, I live in Milan. How long have you lived here? I have lived here for 3 years. Do you speak English every day? Not every day, but I am trying to practice more. That is great. Keep practicing. Your English will improve. Now you try. My name is underscore 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 underscore. I am from underscore 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 underscore. I live in underscore 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 underscore. I am learning English. I want to speak English confidently. Very good. This kind of self-introduction is useful when you meet new people, travel, attend an event, start a new job, or join an international community. Now let us practice English for shopping. Imagine you are in a shop and you want to buy something. You can start with hello. Can you help me, please? Of course. What are you looking for? I am looking for a jacket. What size do you need? I need a medium. Do you have this jacket in black? Yes, we have black and blue. Can I try it on? Yes, the changing room is over there. Thank you. You are welcome. How much is it? It is 50 euros. That is a little expensive. Do you have anything cheaper? Yes, we have another jacket for 30 euros. Can I see it, please? Of course. Here you are. Thank you. This is very useful English for everyday life. Now repeat some important sentences with me. Can you help me, please? I am looking for a jacket. Do you have this in black? Can I try it on? How much is it? Do you have anything cheaper? Thank you very much. Excellent. Next, let us practice English in a cafe or restaurant. Imagine you are visiting a beautiful European city and you want to order food. You enter a small cafe and speak to the waiter. Hello. Can I have a table for one, please? Of course. Please sit here. Thank you. Can I see the menu, please? Yes, here you are. Thank you. What would you recommend? I recommend the chicken sandwich. That sounds good. I will have the chicken sandwich, please. Would you like something to drink? Yes, I would like a glass of water, please. Anything else? No, thank you. That is all. These simple sentences can help you feel more comfortable when traveling. Let us repeat the key sentences. Can I have a table for one, please? Can I see the menu, please? What would you recommend? I will have the chicken sandwich, please. I would like a glass of water, please. That is all, thank you. Now let us practice asking for directions. This is especially important when you travel. Imagine you are in a city and you cannot find the train station. You see someone and politely ask for help. Excuse me, can you help me? Yes, of course. Where is the train station? Go straight and turn left at the second street. Is it far from here? No, it is about 10 minutes on foot. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Have a nice day. You too. Now repeat with me. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the train station? Is it far from here? How long does it take? Can I walk there? Thank you very much. These sentences are simple, but they can be extremely useful when you are traveling in another country. Now let us practice English for transportation. Imagine you are at a train station. You want to ask about your train. Excuse me, which platform is the train to London? Platform 5. What time does the train leave? It leaves at 10:30. Is the train on time? Yes, it is on time. How long is the journey? It takes about 2 hours. Do I need to change trains? No, it is a direct train. Thank you for your help. You are welcome. Now repeat the most useful sentences. Which platform is the train? What time does the train leave? Is the train on time? How long is the journey? Do I need to change trains? Is it a direct train? Very good. Now let us practice English for work. Many people in Europe use English at work because they work with international companies and colleagues. You can use simple sentences to communicate clearly. Good morning. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Are you ready for the meeting? Yes, I am ready. What time does the meeting start? It starts at 9. Can you send me the document, please? Yes, I will send it now. Did you receive my email? Yes, I received it. Do you need any help? Yes, please. Can you explain this part to me? Of course. Let me explain it. Thank you for your help. You are welcome. These sentences are useful even if your English is not advanced. You do not need complicated vocabulary to communicate at work. Simple and clear English is powerful. Now I want you to practice speaking about your daily routine. This is one of the best ways to improve your English because you can talk about your real life. Listen first. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I get out of bed and open the window. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I have breakfast. I usually drink coffee or tea. After breakfast, I get ready for work. I leave home at 8 o'clock. I take the bus or train. I arrive at work at 9. I work during the day and have lunch around 1 o'clock. After work, I go home. In the evening, I have dinner and relax. Sometimes I watch a movie or listen to music. Before I go to bed, I practice English for a few minutes. I usually go to bed at 11. Now it is your turn. Talk about your daily routine in English. Speak slowly. Do not translate every word in your head. Just use simple sentences. Let us practice some common questions about free time. What do you do in your free time? I like listening to music. What kind of music do you like? I like pop music. Do you watch movies? Yes, I watch movies on weekends. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is a comedy. Do you like reading? Yes, I enjoy reading books. What do you do on weekends? I usually spend time with my family and friends. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. Where do you want to go? I want to visit Spain, France, Italy, and the United Kingdom. These conversations are easy, natural, and useful. Practice them with me again. What do you do in your free time? I like listening to music. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. Now let us practice talking about the weather. Weather is a very common conversation topic. You can use it when you meet someone, talk to a colleague, or start a casual conversation. How is the weather today? It is sunny today. Is it cold outside? No, it is quite warm. Is it going to rain? I think it might rain later. Do you like rainy weather? Yes, I do. I like listening to the rain. What is the weather like tomorrow? I think it will be cloudy. These are simple sentences, but they can help you start conversations naturally. Try saying them again. How is the weather today? It is sunny today. Is it cold outside? It is quite warm. Is it going to rain? I think it might rain later. Now we are going to practice confidence sentences. I want you to remember these sentences because they can change the way you think about English learning. I do not need perfect English to communicate. I can speak slowly. I can ask people to repeat. I can ask questions. I can learn from my mistakes. I can improve every day. I am becoming more confident. I am not afraid to speak English. I can communicate with people from different countries. English is becoming easier for me. Repeat them with confidence. I do not need perfect English to communicate. I can speak slowly. I can learn from my mistakes. I can improve every day. I am becoming more confident. Excellent. Keep going. Now let us do a final speaking challenge. I will give you a situation, and I want you to answer aloud. Imagine you are meeting a new person. Tell them your name, your country, where you live, what you do, and why you are learning English. Take your time. You can say, "Hello, my name is Jessica. I am from underscore 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 underscore. I live in underscore 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 underscore. I work as a underscore 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 underscore. I am learning English because I want to communicate with people from different countries. I want to travel. I want to improve my career. I want to feel more confident when I speak English. This is your personal introduction. Practice it every day until you can say it naturally without thinking too much. And now, before we finish, I want you to remember something very important. Learning English is not a race. You do not need to become fluent in 1 week or 1 month. You only need to make small progress every day. Listen to English. Repeat English. Speak English. Make mistakes. Correct your mistakes. Try again. If you live in Europe and you meet people from different countries, English can help you communicate with them. You can use English at work, while traveling, at a restaurant, in a hotel, at an airport, in a shop, or even when making new friends. Your English does not have to be perfect. Your goal is to communicate clearly and confidently. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I am Jessica, and you have been listening to Learning English USA. If you enjoyed this lesson, keep practicing with us and come back for more slow, easy, and natural English lessons. Remember, listen every day, speak every day, and believe in yourself. You are learning. You are improving. And little by little, English will become more natural for you. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never be afraid of making mistakes. I will see you in the next English lesson. Keep learning, keep speaking, and have a wonderful day.